So today I got the suspension for the project car. This is Maxpeedingrod. This is, I would say, a budget coilover for. They do Subaru, Honda. They do a lot of, not a company, but this is a budget suspension. So I'm just gonna open this. Open this real quick, y'all. Real happy. Oh boy, look at this. Look at this. Wow. This is nice. Look at this. It looks just like the, expensive coilovers. This is a 24-way dampening. So you have the adjustments on top. See that? So you can adjust the stiffness on it, which is nice. This cost me, I think it was like $300 on eBay, so it is cost effective. If you need coilovers for any of your cars, give them a try. I did check their website. 5 stars on all their coilovers. So I was like, you know what? Just give them a chance and see how it rides. This is a project car, so this is a good time to review, cheaper companies, so you don't go out there and spend thousands of dollars on other coilovers that do the same thing. Now, come with the spindle. That's nice. Now, in a couple of our, when we do the ranting videos, like we said, if you're not going to be doing like hardcore racing or anything of that sort, you don't need expensive coilovers on your car. Sometimes it's just a waste. So this is the front. So it looks like camber adjustment. These areas right here, camber adjustment and dampening again. So you could do the a stiffness, soft, hard, medium, whatever you want. Closer look at them. So this would be the front, as you see. Now, these are well built. So once we get these on the car, drive it around a little, we'll give you a review on how they feel and how they are. I did read in a review that some people did have some squeaking eventually. I won't know until I actually get to drive on them, but I will keep y'all posted on that. So if you have any questions about the cost of this, I will put a link in the description on these and where you can buy them, eBay. And if you want to give them a chance, give them a chance, because I will. So this will be it for the unboxing today. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions on these, on the build, anything. I always answer whatever you ask me. So as usual, Wrench Daily.